7 a.m. every day, time to rise and shine. A kid in first grade, these days it's such a grind. There's homework and recess and little sister too. Won't you tell me please, Mom, now what you gonna do? There's something in my belly just starts to stay off, right? Oatmeal's the thing to calm the savage appetite. It's a hearty, healthy meal, cause that's just how I roll. No sugar, plastic junk up in my cereal bowl. Those old school oats are a pure abomination. It's better oats for me, the choice of a new generation. Not just one or two types for you to taste and savor. There's something for everyone.
23 flavors!
Like it plain, like it flavored. It's all delicious, the best of two worlds. Tastes great and nutritious. No mushy porridge here, it's the real deal, son. Real fruit, real chocolate. Now that's the one. Mom, mix it up good, you know just what to do. Oh, and Mom, one more thing. I love you. Better oats, the best part of any complete breakfast. Try 'em today, son.